Mr. Patel, who owns the T-Marts around Tulsa, he was looking to replace older GDMs that were primarily vendor provided. The dealer basically specified the TRM. They knew that that was going to be the right solution. Real estate's getting more expensive, utilities are going up, they're trying to pack more product into less square footage. Being able to store walk-in cooler volumes with reach-in pricing and installation, I think is what really kind of hooked him. So he's got these 8 massive doors and all this storage space, and he never skipped a beat in his operation. He never had to shut down completely and do a massive remodel, like he would have with a walk-in. He had the perfect solution to merchandise whatever product he wanted, whenever and however he wanted to promote it. The shelves are actually bigger and deeper than the ones in their current walk-in. They have enough inventory on the shelves to get them through a whole very busy day. If a unit goes down, they have the redundant refrigeration. Unless the whole building loses power, they're rolling. Mr. Patel is so satisfied with the TRM, and he sees his cost savings on labor and product and drops that he's already planning his next remodels for the rest of his stores.